You searched for how to buy shares of Deere & Company, a leading maker of tractors and heavy equipment listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DE. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy DE, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DE to find the company listing. Select the entry clearly labeled Deere Co. to ensure you choose the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm details. Check the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker DE to make sure this is the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.